Have you ever found yourself wondering which makes the better pet, cats or dogs? You're not alone. Today, we'll dive into this timeless debate, weighing the pros and cons of each furry friend. From their personalities to their care needs, let's explore what it means to be a cat or dog owner. First up, let's talk about companionship. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. They thrive on human interaction, often greeting you with excitement when you come home. But did you know that cats also provide companionship in their unique way? While they might not greet you at the door, they often bond deeply with their humans and can be just as loving. Next, we should consider space and lifestyle. Dogs generally need more room to roam and play. If you live in a small apartment, a smaller breed may be a good fit, but larger dogs might feel cramped. On the other hand, cats are often more adaptable to smaller living spaces. They're masters of the indoor lifestyle, requiring less space to feel happy. When it comes to care and maintenance, dogs typically require daily walks and regular grooming, depending on the breed. This means more commitment and time from you. Cats, however, are more independent. They groom themselves and are generally content to stay indoors, making them easier to care for, especially for busy owners. Now, let's address training and behavior. Dogs are often more trainable than cats. They can learn commands, tricks, and even assist with tasks. This intelligence is one of the reasons many people love having a dog. Cats, however, are less likely to respond to commands, but they have their quirks. Did you know that a cat's playfulness can provide mental stimulation? They may not fetch a ball, but they can definitely entertain you with their antics. Allergies can also play a significant role in the pet choice. Many people are allergic to pet dander, and while both cats and dogs can trigger allergies, some studies suggest that cat allergens may be more potent. If allergies are a concern, it's essential to consider how each pet may affect your health and lifestyle. Let's not forget the cost of ownership. Generally, dogs can be more expensive to care for than cats. From food and grooming to veterinary bills, expenses can add up quickly. Cats tend to be less costly in terms of food and grooming supplies, but don't forget those unexpected vet visits. It's vital to budget for your new pet's needs. Now let's address some myths about cats. Many people believe that cats are aloof and independent, but that's a misconception. While cats do enjoy their alone time, they can form strong bonds with their owners and enjoy interactive play. They may show affection differently than dogs, but that doesn't mean they don't care. On the flip side, dogs are often seen as high-maintenance pets. While it's true they require more attention and exercise, this also means they can bring immense joy and companionship into your life. Dogs thrive on routine and interaction, and many owners find that this investment enriches their daily experiences. Pets can significantly impact your lifestyle. Dog owners often enjoy a more active lifestyle, as dogs require regular walks and playtime. This can lead to more physical activity for the owner as well. Conversely, cat owners might appreciate the low-maintenance nature of their pets, allowing for a more laid-back lifestyle without the need for daily outdoor excursions. When it comes to choosing the right pet, consider your lifestyle and preferences. How much time can you dedicate to your pet? Do you have a yard, or do you live in an apartment? Assessing your living situation and your willingness to invest time and money will help guide your decision. Whether you choose a cat or a dog, both can bring immense joy and companionship into your life. There are countless heartwarming stories of how pets have changed lives for the better, from helping people with anxiety to providing companionship for the elderly. The bond you create with your pet can be one of the most rewarding experiences. In conclusion, the choice between a cat and a dog depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and what you're looking for in a companion. Both pets have unique qualities that can enrich your life in different ways. So, take your time, do your research, and choose the furry friend that's right for you. If you enjoyed this exploration of cats and dogs, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Whether you're a cat person, a dog lover, or both, we have plenty of exciting topics to share with you in the future. Thanks for watching. Remember, whether you opt for a furry feline or a devoted canine, both come with their unique charm. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and the time you can devote to your new friend. Each pet has its own special qualities that can make them the perfect companion for you.